How to reset a Garmin heart rate monitor. Your first step is identifying your Garmin heart rate monitor. Garmin makes several heart rate monitors, including chest straps such as the HRM-Pro Plus and the HRM-Dual, as well as the HRM Fit. So you have to identify which one is yours. Now, the next step you're going to be taking is removing the sensor from your devices. So before resetting, remove the heart rate monitor from any paired watches, bike computers, or fitness apps. Open up your Garmin watch or device settings, navigate to the sensors and accessories, select the heart rate monitor, choose to remove or forget the device. That way, you have gotten rid of the Garmin heart rate monitor. Now, the next step is performing a battery reset. So, for most Garmin chest straps, the simplest reset method is a battery reset. So, you first have to open up the battery compartment here. Remove the battery, wait 30 to 60 seconds, and then reinstall the battery and close the compartment securely. That way, you get to reset the battery itself and, as such, the Garmin chest strap. All right, and another step you can try, or something else you can do, is simply cleaning the sensor and strap. So, poor readings are often caused by dirt, sweat buildup, or dry electrodes rather than software problems. So, rinse the strap with fresh water, let it air dry, and then clean the sensor contacts. Moisten the electrode pads before use. And then, once you're done, go ahead and repair the heart rate monitor. Once the reset is complete, pair the monitor again to your other devices, and then simply test the heart rate monitor readings again. So start a workout and verify that the heart rate data is actually correct. All right.